Hey y'all, so welcome back to the channel. So we are going in Sam's Club, me and the mister. Okay, going in Sam's Club to get some more water. I need to stock up on water, y'all. All this war stuff going on, I know I ain't been talking about it much because I've been trying to figure out what was gonna happen, and like I expected, things was gonna change and all that good stuff. So and also I'm having a problem at this moment with uploading to YouTube. A lot going on with the internet, but going in here trying to get some more water, y'all. Gotta stock up. Well, while we in here, y'all, I'm just showing y'all stuff as I pass by to go get that water. Look at this right here. That is just so clear. Look at that. It's two different ones. That is just so clear. Oronde say I must have didn't see this one down here then if I think that's clear. That is just so clear. Oh, that is. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This is a, I don't know, but it's very clear. Look at that. Very clear. Oh my goodness. They just keep making them better and better and better and bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay, something that caught the mister's eye. What's this? Outdoors 4-in-1 expandable prep and serve tub. Oh. It turns into like a cooler? Huh.
Cutting board, serving tray, marinated season, or drink cooler.
I don't know though, because I'd be suspect. I won't want nothing raw in it. Really no food and then go put drinks and stuff in it. So, because you know, I'm going to bleach that so much, y'all. It won't even have it color no more. I love me some bleach, y'all. Gotta keep it sanitized, okay? Alright, y'all. So, while I'm in here though, again, look, y'all remember a couple months ago we was in Sam's Club and we had saw some power stations, so might as well go ahead and see what they looking like. Look at that right there, 8-piece lunch tote. This the bento container set. Look at that. Ain't that so cute? Oh, $25 because it's leather. Look, I may get me something like that to make my own lunch up, even though I'm at the house. To make my own lunch, have my lunch already made, because I do work, I do film and stuff. That is cute. It makes me want to get one. And got the ice pack and all, and open up, and that way my lunch is already together like a day's work. You know, I don't see nothing wrong with that. It really helps you stay on track and stuff. They got these right here, the lunch boxes, but if I get one like that, then I'm gonna have to get one for all the kids or whatnot, for everybody, so everybody can, you know. But that is good. These right here is $20, so they getting ready all ready for back to school. My kids don't go back to school topic August 18th, but I do like this. But it's only, what? I like that. Go ahead and make my lunch up. What y'all think? I mean, like I say, I work. So, that's $25, but it's just mainly for, you know, your mental. I can make sure I have everything, because I have to eat different from them anyway, and I'm already noticing it. I'm going to think about that, and I may come back and get it. I literally may get me one of those, y'all, because when we on the go, I can always put my different food. You know what? I'm doing me. And so I'm gonna go ahead and get me one, because I do for everybody else, and I know I've been working and editing, and my body has been telling me, girl. Let me see, do I want this one? I don't want no black or no brown. I want something that's light. Look at that. I like that. And my body been telling me, girl, it's just over 2 years now from the gallbladder, and let me tell you something. I'm understanding what everybody is saying. Oh, honey child, let me tell you. Oh, what I wasn't dealing with, I'm dealing with now. I have to literally be careful about what I eat. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get this one. All right, y'all. So this is a different one. Well, this one comes with solar panels. It's about the same as the EcoFlow River 2 Pro This is the one I got, but it's just mine is a higher wattage. This is only no, the solar panel is 45 watts. Oh, 800 watts. Mine surge up to 1600. So they have it in here for $3.99, and you get the solar panels with it. So yeah, Sam's Club, they always changing it. So $3.99, y'all. It was $4.99 with $100 off, making it $3.99. So yeah, we already got a gas generator, so we don't need that or whatnot. So yeah, make sure y'all check y'all Sam's Club if you have a membership, probably your Costco too, but that's good.
This is it.
Oh, that's the one I have. Oh, the 800. Oh yeah, that is it. Because I said it's. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, it's a little bit, because I got one solar panel, well, one 4 set. This one comes with 2, and it surges up to, yeah, the boost is 1600 watts. So this is the exact same one, 800 watts Echo Flow River 2 Pro. Okay, I hope they still have. When do this? June 25th. Wait, that's tomorrow. It expires. The sale expires tomorrow. Well, we'll see. They probably gonna have something. We'll see. I may work that by tomorrow and go ahead and get that, because you can't beat that. Can't beat that with a stick. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a bag of these Wild Twist apples, because they are 4 pounds for $5.88. So I'm gonna just go ahead and grab a bag of those for now. All right, then I'm gonna come over here and I am going to grab why is these so flat? Oh no, they $5.54, but they done changed how they look. These is $4.18 for raspberries, but it ain't really enough in there. That's why I be trying to do the frozen stuff now, because it don't really be enough for everybody in the house. Sweet bun. Black grapes. Like $7.12. It's just literally, they limiting the amount that's in there, and I'm not buying nothing that's got a small amount. I'm just not doing it. $8.07. Now these strawberries, 2 pounds, like a lot is in here for $4.13. I'll do that. But I mean, come on, they getting really ridiculous. But we gotta eat these real quick. So, all right, I'm gonna get some bananas probably, and then I'll be done over here, okay? Because guess what? A lot of this stuff I can get out the, well, some of this stuff I can get out the backyard. Look at these. These are apricots. Premium apricots. 3 pounds for $8.77. But I'm not going to do that right now, because I want to check on another spot or whatnot. Yellow peaches. I was looking for bananas, but I don't see bananas. They are nectarine. Oranges, they sale, I think, ends tomorrow, so hopefully they'll be getting some better sales or whatnot. These seedless watermelons, $5.88. I don't really like getting seedless stuff, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and get one, because $5.88 for a big watermelon is good. So yeah, y'all, so I did get some bananas. They are $1.47 for a 3 pound. So we got that, and I got the watermelon. So let's go and get the water now, because I do not need to let that go by before I forget. I am in here to get about 6 cases of water, okay? About 6 cases. So that's what I want to do. That's my plan, is to get about 6 more cases. Okay, y'all, so we made it back to to the car. Let me tell y'all, it is hot. We are 3 degrees from 100 degrees, but it say it feels like 111. We are in part of the heat wave that's going on. So it's 97 degrees, but it say it feels like 111. And if it feels like 111, that's what I'm saying it is, okay? But 97 degrees here, it is extremely hot. But like I was saying, water is one of the things that we need to be stocking up on. It's a must, okay? You know, we done talked about prepping so much. You know, it's just things are happening back to back, and things that's very serious. This war and stuff in these other countries, you know, I've been telling you about them. You got to pay attention to about when they warn and when they throwing these warnings out and different threats and stuff like that. You have to pay attention to it. It just take that one time for them to do something crazy, and then the water and stuff is affected. So making sure that you have abundance of water and food, but you can go longer without food than you can water. Some people, me, I cannot. I can't even go a day without having to have a protein, and some people are like that. Our body makeup, some people take medications. For me, it's my body makeup. I cannot do it, so it would be very hard on me. So making sure that you have food that's to your needs and your likings, and water is a must, because everybody needs water. Everybody needs water, okay? That's what we have to do, because this is critical times, okay? 2 Timothy 3:1-5. Critical times hard to deal with. That's how it starts. All right, y'all, so we are at Walmart and about to go in, and I'm just looking at they plants. A lot of that stuff is, it needs water. Look at these tomato plants, not tomato plants, hot cayenne. It's so hot. It's so hot. So, whew, going in Wally World. Hey honey buns, so as I got in Walmart, I did stop filming because the music was so loud up in there, okay? But at the time that I'm editing this video, some days has already went by, so yeah. Also, in parts of this video, it shows up light. The lighting shows up dark. A lot of dark spots, okay? I am working on that. Something was going on with my camera where it was darkening out, and yeah. So even with me trying to edit and take the dark spots out and try to make things lighter, it do not work. But I don't like using filters. I just like using my lighting thing, because I want everything to be as natural as possible. You're getting a natural light, but my camera was doing something, and yeah. So I'm sorry about that. Like I say, I refuse to use all those filters with the glow and stuff. It's just unreal, and I don't like that. So with that being said, make sure y'all are stocking up on water. So much has happened with these other countries. We need to stock up on water. You need that more than food, and then food, then your essential items. With that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see you in the next one if it's God's will. Love y'all. Stay safe. Bye.